Dammika lost both his parents at a young age. He went through much hardship to educate himself. After leaving school, he found employment as a sales assistant. But he had a desire to make more of his life. He wanted to start his own business. Dammika undertook a course in mobile phone repairs at a training center in his village. After completing his training, Dammika set up a mobile phone repair workshop. It was the only such shop in his town of Moraragala. With limited resources, he had to hire the tools of his trade. This eroded his profits and hampered the progress of his business. Dammika spoke to the MJF Charitable Foundation, who were impressed by this enterprising young man and provided him with the necessary tools. Free of burdensome rental payments, Dammika has managed to grow his business. He keeps himself regularly updated on the latest industry developments so that he can offer his customers the best possible service. Now, Dammika is optimistic that he can provide his daughter with a better education and lifestyle than what he himself experienced.